Now we're going to mix the egg yolk and water mixture with the paste that's been ground of the pigment mixed with water. I try to just put out enough paste for one day. So now again, I'm adding equal part egg yolk and water mixture to my paste. And now these paint colors will be ready for painting. This is the mixture that I just made earlier. I'm going to put it into a little well and add the egg yolk and water mixture. This is the pigment in its powdered form. And this is the pigment that's been ground with water. And I add extra distilled water, and it stays in this paste form for a long time, for weeks and weeks and weeks. And I realized that I didn't put this red on my palette, so I'm going to add it now. So this turquoise has the egg yolk and water mixture with the paste, and now it's ready for painting. That's all it takes. A little Winsor violet. A little ultramarine blue, which is a very hard pigment to disperse in water. This egg mixture is only good for 2 days, which is why you only put a little bit of the paste into your palette. Before the mixture has been mixed with egg, when it's like this with the water, it lasts for months. But once the egg is in with it, it has a very short shelf life. All paint comes from the same pigment. The difference between oil paint, gouache, watercolor, acrylic is the binder that holds the pigment together. In this case, the binder is egg. They're so seductive, right?
Yeah, they're beautiful. Okay.